This video is going to take a look at the first step in the time billing process. It's very simple, so this is going to be a quick and simple video. First thing, I'm going to go to Transaction, Time Billing, Transfer to Billing. See, there's only two options here. There's the first screen. The first step is this Transfer to Billing screen. And what this step accomplishes is it's going to lock the time and material entries for your customers, all the entries that have been made. It's going to lock them for billing. So anyone that would attempt to edit any of those entries while they're locked, they won't be able to do that. So it's a control. It keeps anyone from changing something while you're generating an invoice. There's only one option here in the drop-down. We might add some more in the future, but for now there's just one. You can process through a specific date. So if you only want to bill things through the 15th, then you would just change the date. And at the bottom, there's another option. If you're locking your service orders, then you can choose to only transfer things that have been locked. That's just another control that you can add in there. If you're not using that, then you just leave it unchecked. You're going to click the reload button, and the system will go through and it'll find all of the customers that have pending time entries that need to be billed, time and material entries. You can pick, if you want to, you can pick a specific one or multiple records just by checking them off. Or if you're ready to do all of the billing, you click the All button here. It'll select them all for you, and then you're going to click the big transfer button at the bottom. Doesn't take long. There you see, transfer completed. And so all of the time entries and material entries for these companies that haven't been billed yet, those have all been locked. And to show you a quick example of that, open up one of these that I had pending here and go to the time entry screen, and you'll see that it's highlighted down here in red, which means I cannot change that. If I try to change it, it says locked for billing. Same thing on the equipment side. If I had any material entries here, those would be locked as well.